Hi everyone, welcome to the Lakeview video podcast series. I'm pleased today to be joined with Raul Cartegena, who's the Business Development Director for Brazos Recovery in Lakeside Village, Texas. Welcome, Raul.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. It's really good to have you here in Jacksonville. We're very excited to hear more about your services in Texas. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about your background. How did you get into the field?
Wow, I say about 12 years ago, I was released from a treatment center in Hunt, Texas, and ended up going to a little town called Waco, and I was looking for a service opportunity, and I went to a local state-funded treatment center that was in Waco at the time, and it was amazing. There wasn't really anyone helping, so I volunteered, and I got sucked into the treatment world. I never left. Started volunteering for their alumni, started doing groups for them, and I just fell in love. I just fell in love with the whole treatment thing. I wasn't a real big treatment guy in treatment, but I definitely, working behind the scenes, it sparked up a passion.
Very nice. You're working that 12th step, trying to really get back, right?
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. So tell us a little bit about Brazos. What's the program about?
Okay, so we're a long-term 90-day facility for all men, adult. We are 12-step steeped in tradition. So 12 steps are basically pretty much a way of life on our campus. From our maintenance to our clinicians to our RA staff are definitely all involved in the 12-step way of life. We have 2 master level clinicians, 2 LCDCs on board. We work with a medical director. We have nursing, 16-hour day nursing. So we can handle a lot of cases. But we're primary substance abuse. Okay. And that's what we focus on.
So no dual diagnosis at this point?
We can do some. Okay. Just as long as they're stable, they can come into our campus. Okay. Yes, we can continue care. We can't really stabilize.
What can someone expect when they arrive on campus? Are you a large facility?
We sit on 13 acres.
Oh,
so
nice.
Think outdoorsy, think ranch style living. We're right off the lake. So you can see the lake from our campus. So it's not like one of those things that you have to drive 15 miles to actually get to the lake.
That's good. Okay.
We're literally right off the lake. They'll feel it's not a closed-in feel. So a lot of our clients really love the idea of they can walk outside and get that fresh air. They don't feel like they're really institutionalized.
Good. And we talked earlier about how you have a very unique ability to work with some patients who might be resistant to treatment. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we have is when they come to our campus, they come into our community. They adapt to our community. Our community actually does a lot of our blocking, our ASA blocking. They're really involved. They want our clients to get well. They want themselves to get well. So when they come into that kind of environment, immediately you see the change on some of the comments we get from our clients is like, I've never been said hello to so many times in one day. Nice. And they say they just have that feel like I belong here already.
Sounds like there's a sense of intimacy there that helps them feel like they're connected.
Absolutely.
That's great.
No one goes by campus. Any stranger that walks by is going to get stopped by at least 15 people, I guarantee.
I think a lot of them need to feel belonging, so that's really helpful. So that's great. If someone listening today wanted to access services at Brazos, how could they get in touch with you?
Well, absolutely. But they could actually go to our website at brazosrecovery.com. That's BRAZOS recovery.com. Or call directly at 254-232-1550. That's 254-232-1550.
Wonderful, Raul. Well, it was really nice having a chance to talk with you today and to learn more about your program. For those of you that are interested in learning more about Lakeview Health, we invite you to visit us at lakeviewhealth.com. Or if you know someone who needs access to treatment right away, please give us a call at 866-887-0142.